Experiencing leg cramps once in a while is common and usually not a cause for concern. It normally lasts for a few seconds or minutes and can be prevented by increasing your intake of nutrient-rich superfoods. But like any other food, these superfoods can potentially cause some side effects, which I will reveal at the end of this video, so stay tuned. First, let's discover how these superfoods help with leg cramps. There are many causes of leg cramps, from dehydration, intense exercise, menstruation, and medical conditions. Massaging or stretching your legs can help ease cramping and promote relaxation, but leg cramps can be avoided with a healthy and balanced diet. Consuming superfoods like avocado, bananas, and sweet potatoes may treat and prevent leg cramps. These superfoods contain certain nutrients, including calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium. The said nutrients are electrolytes that prevent cramps caused by dehydration and sweating from intense exercise. When you sweat or lose body fluids, you'll lose electrolytes that cause muscle contraction. Nutritional deficiencies can also cause leg cramps. Thus, consuming superfoods loaded with vitamins and minerals is ideal, especially for seniors. Now, let's go over the 10 superfoods seniors need to say goodbye to leg cramps. Number 1. Avocado. Perhaps the most popular superfoods among health enthusiasts, the hype about avocados is not a hoax. This nutritiously delicious, creamy fruit is loaded with key nutrients that may be beneficial for seniors who experience leg cramps. Avocados are rich in essential minerals, including magnesium and potassium, which are electrolytes that promote muscle health. One avocado contains approximately 690 milligrams, or 15% of the recommended daily value of potassium, and 54 milligrams of magnesium, or about 14% of its recommended daily value. It also contains copper and vitamin B5 that support energy production in the body. They support muscle contraction, so ensuring balanced electrolyte levels in the body is vital. Number 2. Bananas. Another tried and tested superfood to relieve leg cramps, bananas are one of the best sources of potassium. A 100-gram serving of bananas contains approximately 358 milligrams of potassium, an essential electrolyte that your body needs for nerve signaling and muscle contractions. Bananas also contain the magnesium electrolyte, which suppresses muscle excitability or the muscle cell's ability to contract. The magnesium in bananas also stimulates the production of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which provides energy to the body, supporting nerve and muscle health. Due to their vitamin B6 content, regular consumption of bananas may also aid in muscle recovery and nerve function. So if you want to avoid leg cramps, adding bananas to your diet can help. By the way, please support our channel by clicking subscribe. Number 3. Leafy greens. If you're a vegetarian or simply want to increase your vegetable intake, leafy greens are excellent superfoods that may benefit those suffering from leg cramps. Beet greens are one of the veggies that can help ease and prevent muscle cramps, thanks to their calcium, magnesium, and potassium content. Apart from electrolytes, beet greens contain nitrates, which show anti-inflammatory effects and promote blood flow. This superfood may help reduce fatigue, support muscle function, and prevent leg cramps. Other electrolyte-rich superfoods are spinach and Swiss chard, which are also loaded with calcium, magnesium, and potassium, as well as dietary fiber. You can add these greens to your salads, sandwiches, or even in your smoothie. Number 4. Fruit juices, coconut water, orange, and watermelon. Drinking fruit juices is the easiest and most natural way to treat leg cramps. If you have an active lifestyle, adding coconut water to your diet is ideal because it is a good source of electrolytes. Coconut water is rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and sodium, which may help reduce leg cramps by replenishing your body with electrolytes. Orange juice is another refreshing drink to help balance your body's electrolyte levels. It is packed with calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Loaded with up to 90% water, watermelon also contains magnesium and potassium, making it a great drink for rehydration and muscle function. Number 5. Milk and Greek yogurt. Seniors who often suffer from leg cramps can also avoid them by including dairy products in their diet, such as milk and Greek yogurt. The protein found in these superfoods supports the growth and repair of muscle tissue after an intense workout. Milk and Greek yogurt are excellent sources of electrolytes, such as calcium, potassium, and sodium, which may all help treat and prevent leg cramps. Dairy products not only promote muscle recovery, but also rehydrate and replenish electrolytes in your body. By mixing milk and Greek yogurt with other superfoods like bananas, salads, or fruit smoothies, your diet will be healthier and packed with electrolytes, reducing the occurrence of muscle cramps. Number 6. Melon and papaya. Aside from fruit juices, eating fresh melon and papaya may benefit people who usually experience leg cramps. Melon or cantaloupe is an excellent source of calcium, magnesium, and potassium. It also contains a lot of water and small amounts of sodium. No wonder melon is often served as a smoothie or as a refreshing snack during summer. Papaya is another tasty and refreshing fruit that can help refill the electrolytes in the body due to its high magnesium and potassium content. According to studies, women who consume dietary potassium regularly can reduce the risk of experiencing muscle cramps than those who don't. Number 7. Sweet potato. One of the most popular superfoods in the health community, sweet potato is a healthy root vegetable that contains potent vitamins, minerals, and other bioactive compounds from its skin to flesh. It is packed with carotenoids, dietary fiber, phenolic compounds, saponins, and terpenoids, making it a staple food cultivated across the world. But did you know that sweet potato is also loaded with electrolytes? It is packed with calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential minerals that support muscle function. In fact, 1 cup of mashed sweet potato provides over 20% of the daily recommended intake of potassium and approximately 13% of the daily recommended intake of magnesium. Number 8. Nuts and seeds. If you're looking for a healthy and quick snack, you can always bring on the go. Nuts and seeds are an excellent choice. These superfoods are perfect for seniors and people with an active lifestyle because of their rich nutritional profile. Nuts and seeds contain healthy fats, magnesium, and potassium, which all promote muscle relaxation. For instance, eating almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds can aid in muscle recovery and balance the electrolytes in the body. Leg cramps can also be avoided by eating walnuts packed with omega-3s that can relieve inflammation, contributing to muscle cramps. Number 9. Beans and lentils. Just like nuts and seeds, beans and lentils are rich in magnesium, a key electrolyte that supports muscle contraction and relaxation. This compound also shows anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce muscle inflammation after a strenuous workout. 1 cup serving of cooked beans contains around 13% of the daily recommended value of magnesium, while lentils provide about 16% of its daily value. Studies also suggest that the high fiber content found in these superfoods offers relief from muscle cramps. When you eat beans and lentils daily, your body will surely benefit from their magnesium content. So the next time you're feeling like your legs are cramping, make a beans and lentils super salad. 10. Fatty fish. Now, for our final pick is none other than fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and trout. Seafood is a natural source of vital nutrients that support muscle health. They are loaded with calcium, B vitamins, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, protein, sodium, and vitamin D. These nutrients aid in muscle contraction, recovery, strength, and relaxation. Seniors who consume less selenium may also suffer from muscle weakness. Fortunately, fatty fish are rich in selenium, which shows antioxidant properties that may help prevent muscle cell damage. The omega-3 fatty acids found in these fatty fish also possess anti-inflammatory properties, preventing cramps caused by muscle inflammation. Some safety considerations. These superfoods are incredibly healthy, not just for kids and adults, but also for seniors. But, as mentioned earlier, they may cause possible side effects. Take, for example, avocado, bananas, leafy greens, melon, papaya, and fruit juices. They contain high amounts of fiber, fat, oxalate, and sugar. For these reasons, excessive intake of these superfoods may cause digestive issues, weight gain, latex allergies, and may interfere with certain medications. Milk and green yogurt, although nutritious, may contain fiber, high fat, and sugar. which can cause milk allergy and digestive issues for lactose-intolerant individuals. Meanwhile, sweet potatoes contain high amounts of oxalate, vitamin A, and potassium. As a result, excessive consumption of sweet potatoes can cause kidney stones, hyperkalemia, and skin discoloration. The high fiber and calorie content of nuts and seeds can also lead to digestive problems and weight gain. The same goes for beans and lentils. They can also interfere with certain medications and cause severe allergic reactions. Consuming too many beans and lentils also causes diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and kidney issues due to their lectin and potassium content. Furthermore, high intake of fatty fish oil may lead to low blood pressure, high blood sugar, and increased bleeding risk. Therefore, we advise consulting a healthcare professional or dietitian before taking any of these superfoods, especially for seniors with health concerns or taking medications. On the contrary, these superfoods are remarkably healthy and good for seniors. They can even help treat and prevent leg cramps with their nutrient-dense profile. If you often experience leg cramps, maybe after an intense workout or a long, tiring day, adding these superfoods to your diet will not only provide relief, but also make your muscles more relaxed and promote overall health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We upload a new video every Friday at 12 p.m. EST.